let anyone ruin it.
Statistics tell us that 1 in 10 students will be a victim of crime.
Make sure you are not one of them.
Help us to help you stay safe. Enter your video into our competition and win a laptop
And a year's free supply of cinema tickets.